Yo, what is going on YouTube? In this quick tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how to get free VC using an NBA 2K26 VC glitch. This is working right now, guys. Takes about 5 minutes of your time, and you are going to get a ton of VC using this working glitch. And it's going to get you 450,000 VC, so you can see that costs around $100 US. This is going to save you a bunch of money, and it only takes about 5 minutes to do this 2K26 VC glitch. Before I show you it, make sure you do drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, because many more updates are coming as and when they're needed, because these do get patched quite often, but this one is working after patch. So let's get into it, guys. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile internet browser just to obtain this secret locker code, guys. This is a glitched locker code you can use right now, and it is going to supply your 2K26 account 450,000 VC. So head on over on your mobile internet browser to www.crashcoupons.com. Now, it is very important you do this on your mobile phone because these locker codes are easier to get on your mobile. So Crash Coupons is basically a game code website. I'm sure you gathered that, but they don't only have 2K26 locker codes, they have pretty much every other game as well. So I highly recommend you check these for any codes that you require. But anyway, what you're going to want to do is just use the search bar at the top where it says search here and type in NBA 2K26, and what you're looking for, guys, is this page here. Now they have a few different codes on this page. Let's get rid of that hair. But yeah, there's a few different codes. They're all working and verified, and you can see they're really popular and highly rated. So go ahead and scroll down and look for the 450,000 VC code. Now this is a glitched code. The reason I call this a VC glitch is because this is not supposed to supply 450,000, but it actually does. So yeah, someone is definitely going to get fired in the EA 2K26 team. So basically, guys, you need to unlock your locker code. Now, the reason you need to do this is, as I showed you, these are about $100 US worth of codes, considering it does give you 450,000 VC. So it limits one code per person. I've already done this morning, so I don't think I'll be able to do it again. But basically, you need to click on this button, and all you need to do is follow the instructions on this page. It basically unlocks your code and verifies you as a real person, and that prevents people stealing more than one of these codes. So you just need to complete 2 of the free offers to unlock your code. So below here, you're going to have a list of tasks and offers. They're all completely free, so don't panic, and they only take about 5 minutes to complete 2 of them. Just very important you follow the instructions, because people sometimes do not read what you need to do, so they click on it and then they're confused. So basically, just make sure you read what to do, and they're really easy things like mobile application installs, playing games until certain levels or milestones. There's even free surveys, like this one is a really easy one. You just click on it and answer some questions. So yeah, if you choose a survey, you have to input your email, for example, and just make sure you do put in correct information, guys, because this does verify you as a real person. So if you put in fake info, it's going to think you're a robot or something. So just complete 2 tasks, and it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. And if you do everything correctly, your 2K26 VC code will be revealed, so you redeem it in game, so in the menu in the locker code part of the game, and that is going to give you 450,000 VC. So that is the best 2K26 VC glitch working right now. Head on over to Crash Coupons. Do make sure you follow all of the instructions and grab your locker code for 450,000 VC. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys. Peace out.